Hello everybody. In this video I'm gonna show you how to disassemble and reassemble this here Thompson. So as always you drop your mag, check and make sure no wound in the chamber. Pardon me. Anywho, don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but there'll be like a little button you'll have to depress right here under the receiver but above the buttstock. You press that and uh, depress it enough to where you can get to that point, and then you'll have to get up in there with. There we go. There's the lower, but it's tricky because you gotta, once it gets as far as it'll go, like it did, you'll have to get in there with that flathead like I showed you, and then you'll have to gonna have to be careful when you take this piece here out because it's under spring tension. So best way to do, I find to do, ease it up with the flathead and then ease it out. There's your recoil and springs and guide rod. Then there's your firing pin. There's your spring. Now on this part is to where you'll have to, in my case, the bolt handle is gonna come out. You wanna get it even with this spot here. There's the bolt handle. And then your bolt just drops out. And if it was to where the rifle needed any cleaning, that would be enough. This is as far as you would need to take it to clean it. Which all this extra stuff is just the gun grease. So I'm pretty much good and all because I not long cleaned this weapon. But to put it back together, just do all the steps you did, but in reverse. Getting gun grease all over the place. But anywho, once you get that back in there like it's supposed to be, you take your lower, which is gonna be the more tricky part because you gotta get it in at the right angle. But in this case, it's usually easier to do like that to get it back up. Then, of course, once you and there you go. That's how you would disassemble and reassemble your Thompson rifle, you know, to where you can do your cleaning and whatnot. Thanks for watching.